caused by the many factors. But some of the factors were common to what I used to experience myself. So I realized, or I noticed that in every, I can say that every A-level students, but possibly more than 75% of advanced level secondary education students, they used to face some common problems, and when they are pursuing their advanced studies. So that's one thing that I wanted to present. So how can I solve this problem? Okay, I used to teach some students during the vacations and even during the school time learning. Some of the schools I used to How are you, everybody who is watching this video? My name is Sir Olenjolaim single from United Republic of Tanzania. This is our national flag. So if you like our country, you can wave like this. Thank you very much. I don't see you, but you know, God see you that you love our beautiful country. I would like to welcome you into our official YouTube channel that's called the Tanzania Online A-Level Secondary Schools in square bracket Olenjolaim. So the name of our school, our online schools and our YouTube channels is called Tanzania Online A-Level Advanced Level Secondary Schools. So this A stands for advanced and SEC stands for secondary schools. And then in square bracket, we have also Olenjolaim, that's my name. Okay, I'd like to give you a quick introductions concerning about our official YouTube channel so that you can be connected and understand what's going on inside this official YouTube channel that's called Tanzania Online A-Level Secondary School in square bracket Olenjolaim. I would like to welcome you into official YouTube channels, and in these official YouTube channels we are teaching 8 subjects for advanced students. Before even just mention those subjects, I would like to state the problem that I'm solving and the methodology that I'm going to use on solving the problem. Well, I used it to be an A-level student in United Republic of Tanzania. When I was in A-level, I pursued the combination switch, the combinations of PC and physics, chemistry, mathematics, and I experienced many challenges myself on understanding the subjects of advanced level. So there are many reasons have caused me to experience many challenges during my learning period of advanced mathematics, of advanced level of Form 5 and Form 6. Some of the problems, some of the cause are bad. We didn't have. Some of the problems is the stuff. First of all, the contents for A-level for advanced level are a little bit complex. So there's a great shifting from O-level education to A-level education. So when you do well in your O-level ordinary secondary education studies, and then when you join with advanced secondary studies, there's a great shifting, and even sometimes it's a kind of, I call it a sudden shift, or it's a kind of shocking. It can make you surprised because you have been solving many problems and you have been understanding possibly the physics during your Form 1 to Form 4. But suddenly you find that physics is changing and you have a lot of things to cover, and questions for A-level, for advanced level, you find that sometimes are difficult for you to solve them yourself. So that's one of the reasons, that the content itself, there's a lot of things to cover, and those a lot of things are a little bit real advanced, so they are complex for you to go through them. So that's one of the problems that I faced myself. When I graduated from my advanced level studies, I spent 5 years on teaching A-level students. Okay, physical class, not like this one. Even themselves have been experiencing many problems. And those many problems have been caused by the many factors. But some of the factors were common to what I used to experience myself. So I realized, or I noticed that in every, I can't say that every A-level students, but possibly more than 75% of advanced level secondary education students, they used to face some common problems and when they are pursuing their advanced studies. So that's one thing that I wanted to present. So how can I solve this problem? Okay, I used to teach some students during the vacations and even during the school time learning. Some of the schools I used to teach in most technical, etc. I don't want just to mention those schools. But now I said, okay, I want to help and I want to solve this problem national-wise and even continentally and even throughout the world, because the contents we are learning in advanced educations are common in every country. So I will be recording the live classes by using the high definition multimedia equipment, and then I will post these live classes online through the internet. So every student in Tanzania, in Kenya, in Uganda can enjoy different concepts of advanced level anywhere and at any time. So that's the beauty of this methodology that I've decided to use. I will be using many different teaching aids and different teaching techniques and different teaching approach on simplifying the complex ideas into the simplest and simpler and simpler and simpler. So that is the problem that I'm trying to solve. So in this YouTube channel, I'm going to teach you 8 subjects. The first subject is called the Advanced Physics for the Form 5 and Advanced Physics for the Form 6. And the second subject is called the Advanced Chemistry for the Form 5 and Advanced Chemistry for the Form 6. And the fifth subject is called the Advanced Mathematics for the Form 5 and Advanced Mathematics for the Form 6. The seventh subject is called Basic Applied Mathematics for the Form 5 and the Basic Applied Mathematics for the Form 6. So those are the 8 subjects that I'm going to teach you step by step, from topic to topic, from concept to concept, from sentence to sentence, from principle to another principle. So we'll be taking you slowly until you master this material. What is my main objective on this YouTube channel? My main objective is to make every student who will join onto this program to love advanced subject, to love advanced mathematics, to love basic applied mathematics, to love advanced physics, to love advanced chemistry, and even to love science in general, and to love even mathematics in general, because through the knowledge that we gain from the educations, from the advanced level education, we can use to solve our own real world problem. Okay, so this material might be used worldwide in any continent, in America, in Asians, in Europeans, continents, in Asia, in Australia, in Africa. This material can be used. However, that my main focus will be by using the Tanzania syllabus. Because you know that I should be focused. If I will be trying to teach everybody in the world, I won't be able to teach everybody, because different countries have different syllabus for the particular purpose on solving their real world problems. So even ourselves, we have our own curriculums for solving our own problems. So that is a little bit, that's a little introduction. So again, I want just to inform you or to let you know that how you can be connected onto these programs. We are going to post hundreds of videos, not tens of videos, or maybe tens of videos. It is hundreds of videos, more than, I believe that for advanced level, I will be posting more than 200 videos. Okay, I'm sure about that, because I know that the contents, it's intensive level, more than any levels of studies. So for those who pursue the advanced level and for the science and mathematics subject, they understand what I'm saying. So in order for you to stay connected, I would like to ask you to have an email. Make sure that you sign in YouTube, and you have to subscribe, and also click the bell, and then click the all option, so that the YouTube community will give notifications once we upload a new video. So automatically when you'll be online. Secondly, read the descriptions of every video, right? Read the descriptions of every video to get more information concerning about the channel, concerning about the particular video, concerning about the particular subject. And if you read the descriptions, you'll see even some of the methods that are used to invite all the viewers and all the students who are watching this program, in case you feel that you want to offer your freewheeling offering to God through this program in order to contribute the running cost for the world program, because there is a running cost, there is the initial cost and running cost for this program. It's free, I don't charge you anything, but in case you feel from your heart that you want to offer God, to say thank you God through this program, you're warmly welcome. You can use the bank transactions, read the descriptions below, you will see the bank account and the bank name, and also you can use the mobile transaction. That's why I wrote here Thanksgiving offering. This is the abbreviation of offering, and the telephone number is 0759745331, and the registered name is Olenjolaim. So your Thanksgiving will be received with the hands of thanks, and will be used effectively according to the purpose of God on this program. Thirdly, I would like to insist you to share these contents with your classmates. Share these contents with your young brother. Maybe a viewer who is watching this video right now, you have graduated advanced level, or maybe you didn't pass by the advanced level, you pursued maybe ordinary diploma, or you graduated undergraduate studies in science subjects or mathematics subjects. But I believe that you know the challenges that students used to encounter. So please inform your young brothers, your young sisters about this good news. This is good news to me and it's good news to you. Make sure that you inform them so they should not travel a lot on maybe traveling from Rovuma to Dar es Salaam to look for the tuition during the vacations. While from now, God can send them the truth message, and even the detailed and the high definition, high quality lecture or sessions of advanced level to Rovuma. No need for you to come to Dar es Salaam, so to go to Arusha or to go to Morogoro in order to seek the good tuition. So believe me that these programs will be spreading throughout the country, and no need for you just to. That is my main objective, to say that all the regions of the ones of United Republic of Tanzania have been exploded with this program. That's my main objective. So make sure that you share with anybody. Don't hesitate, this is public, so share with anybody who this program can help him or her. So don't hesitate yourself to share. Fourth, my classes will be, all my sessions will be incomplete if I don't allow my students to ask me questions. During my physical training, I take 30% of my session to allow my students asking questions. Before I record these programs, I have impacted the life of more than 5,000 Tanzanian students physically. So that's not a digital, but now I'm planning to reach millions of the students from one generation to another generation, because these contents, even if that I pass by, I die, then you'll find that the contents still helpful from one generation to another generation. So I insist you that use the comment sections, lefty side, on my right hand side, but lefty of your side. Use the comment section to ask your questions, to read questions have been asked by other students, and even to read the answers of the questions. But use also the comment section to submit the homework. In every session, or in every lecture, or in many lectures or many sessions that I'm going to teach you, I'll be leaving a homework for you to try to solve that problem, or solve that mathematical or maybe physics problems, or maybe a chemistry problem, so that in the next lecture I can give you the feedback, and you have to make sure to submit your homework. Even as a student, they can see how you approach the problem, and then you can test yourself. Believe me that even near future can have even some of the tests in this project, so that you can enjoy everything and get everything that you used to get in the physical schools. That's why we call that this is online school. It's a complete school, so you get all the resources essential for you to pursue and even to enjoy the beauty of advanced education. So that is a very important piece of information. So right now we have 3 departments in these online schools. The first one, advanced mathematics, advanced physics, advanced chemistry. In the advanced mathematics, you have advanced mathematics subjects and basic applied mathematics. And these contents are for the Form 5 to Form 6. But in some of the countries, for example, European countries and even American, they used to call this is class 13 to class 14, right? Even in India, that they used to call class 13 to class 14. But in our country, we call it Form 5 and Form 6 for advanced level. So, I think that those informations are essential for you. Now it's a time, let us go inside. I have prepared the session or lecture 00, which is General Introductions of Advanced Mathematics. That's the subject that I'm going to present to you today, and believe me that you'll enjoy continuously until the end of this session. So, in these general introductions, I'll be introducing to you, I've prepared it mostly, or I've prepared it 4 parts of each of the five things for you as just like a gift. The first things I will share with you the big picture in my mind about mathematics. Okay, and the second thing that I will share to you all the reference books and materials that you want to learn advanced mathematics in successful. And then I've prepared it for you the details or the that in the overview or the overview from the new syllabus of advanced mathematics. The overview contains means topics of the Form 5. That's what I've prepared, and also I've prepared for you the contents or the topics for the Form 6 according to the new syllabus of United Republic of Tanzania. So stay tuned. So let us go inside. Okay, so the first thing I told you that I will share with you is big picture of mathematics. In my mind, God reveals this big picture, and I would like to share with you. This is the queen of engineering. We call it the queen of engineering. If you want to be a good engineer, you should be good in mathematics, right? Or good scientist, you should be good in mathematics. So this is mathematics. So mathematics, we began the journey of mathematics by learning fundamental, okay? Fundamental mathematics such as counting, fundamental or arithmetic in mathematics, fundamental maths. And this we did it during our nursery and the primary education, right? Either in Swahili language or in English language. So remember that this is advanced level. I'll be using English in all the lectures or in all the sessions that I'm going to teach you. And then this was standard E, so this we call it in United Republic of Tanzania, called it standard 1 to standard 7, right? To standard 7. So after graduations, we used to go to the next level. And when we go to the next level, this we call the ordinary level. So this we call the ordinary level. We have 2 branches against 2 new branches. So the first, so this is O level, so ordinary level, secondary education, right? Secondary education. So in this O level, we have 2 routes. We can learn basic mathematics, and we used to learn, or we learned it from Form 1 to Form 4, right? Form 1 to Form 4, which is beautiful. And also, sometimes for those lovers of mathematics, they can learn additional mathematics in the schools where they can provide additional mathematics, and also you can learn additional mathematics from Form 1 to Form 4, which is very sweet, Form 1 to Form 4. Then after graduating with advanced certificate, so we got with certificate, secondary education examination in Tanzania, that's what we call. Then you have 3 routes. So we have 3 routes that we can take. Okay? So the first route, you can measure in mathematics, or you can take a combination which including mathematics. So this we call it pure advanced mathematics level, or measure or category, pure advanced mathematics. Or you can measure also in basic applied mathematics, BAM. Okay, so this is taught in Form 5 to Form 6, that's what I'm discussing. Also BAM, you have to learn during your Form 5 to Form 6 for some of the combinations, which are, these are the students who are not studying advanced mathematics, but they need the concepts of mathematics to understand their subjects. Also, you can measure in applied mathematics. So applied mathematics, this is a little bit different from basic applied mathematics because this is advanced level, so Form 5 to Form 6. Here we have certificate, okay? Maybe you want to pursue for this particular certificate in chemical engineering, so telecommunication engineering, and also ordinary diploma. So you find applied mathematics maybe in chemical engineering, applied mathematics in lab science, applied mathematics in different areas of study. So those are the 3 routes. So the routes where am I right now is this one, that advanced, I'm still continuing with the big picture, advanced pure mathematics, okay? Pure mathematics, that's the route that I am right now, or I'm discussing, or I've prepared myself to share with you advanced mathematics. Beautiful subject. So in advanced, after graduating in advanced mathematics, we have 2 main routes, right? This is A-level education. Remember that this is A-level education. And this is what I've prepared to teach you, A-level education. So we have 2 routes. The first route, we can pursue a higher undergraduate, so we call it the higher undergraduate, that's the meanings, higher undergraduate teaching, higher undergraduate pure mathematics courses, okay, mathematics courses. In most of universities or institutions or colleges, these courses, students used to learn for 3 years program. So for example, that you want to take Bachelor in Science in Statistics, Bachelor in Science maybe in Analytical Mathematics, and etc., etc., etc. So again, that I have one friend of mine who pursued the pure mathematics, who's called Godfrey Elia. So then another route, also, you can take this route, higher undergraduate applied, not pure, applied mathematics, right? Higher undergraduate applied mathematics. So this one, when you'll be pursuing, you study mathematics for 3 years, for two years, so it will be first year and second year. Yes, okay, and then the 3rd and 4th year, if the programs of 4 years, you used to learn about your course, right? So it's mostly it is just the 4th semester. Mathematics is, you learn mathematics for 4th semester. But for myself, I was unhappy because I wanted to learn mathematics in every semester. Unfortunately, during my undergraduate studies, I did the Bachelor in Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, and we had 8 semesters. So unfortunately, we learned mathematics in only 5 semesters. So I was unhappy. I was unhappy when I was studying those other 3 semesters without mathematics, because I really love mathematics, and I will also transform you to love mathematics. So that is, so after graduating in these 2 programs, right? So then you can go for the postgraduates, or we call them advanced. You can go to the next level, we call it advanced pure mathematics. So there are the 2 routes after graduating, 8 of these 2 courses. So then these 2 routes, the first one is called the advanced, let's say, pure mathematics. So in this one, it means this is for the master level and even PhD level. So you still have a long journey in mathematics. But also, you can have this one. This is applied advanced mathematics in different fields, engineering, economics, advanced applied mathematics, science, meteorology, okay, mathematics. And this also is for the master and PhD level, right? PhD level. But all of this, whether in this part or this level, The main objective is to use mathematics to solve real-world problems. So this is the kind of the big picture. The good news I have for you, I have an official YouTube channel to teach basic mathematics from 1 to Form 4. That's called the Tanzania Online O-Level Seki School or secondary schools. And also I have an official YouTube channels, the one that I'm teaching right now for advanced level educations, but also I have an official YouTube channels to teach engineering and scientific mathematics to ordinary diploma students. That is called Online Diploma Polytechnic Institute of Technology Institute of Tanzania in square bracket Olenjolaim. Okay, so that is my, so this is my first, this is my second YouTube channel, this is my third YouTube channel, but that's not enough. Again, I have an official YouTube channels to teach you higher undergraduate applied mathematics in science and the engineering for the 4 semesters, but under the TCU and the NATE curriculums for those who are pursuing about engineering and science. So, so this will be the first of my YouTube channel. I have also some other 2 YouTube channels. The first one is called the Ufalme Mbinguni Umekaribia Tanzania. That is for the spiritual, to take care all about the revelations of the Word of God. And also have the 6th YouTube channel that's called the Kingdoms of Heavens Come in Tanzania, when that I used to teach students, and even I used to teach different mankind's born again, and those who are not born again, those who are sinful, and those who are holy, about the fact or the truth of the Word of God and the grace in English. So the first one is in Swahili, the 6th one is in English. So you enjoy. So we have many cunning schools online, so you can harvest a lot as well as you can, and at the end of the day you enjoy your life of learning. Okay, so this is the big picture. So this is the point where we are right now. Okay, so that's the second thing that I wanted to share with you. And then let me take you to the third thing that I prepared, because the first one I shared to you about introduction. So this one, the third thing which I want to share with you humbly is reference books, say reference books, and notes. Okay, notes of advanced mathematics. Advanced mathematics. So you have several reference books. I've selected some of them. I can categorize them into 2 branches. The first branch, I would like to present to you the textbooks of advanced mathematics. Textbooks. Okay. The first textbook is called the Advanced Mathematics Advanced Mathematics syllabus. This is the first reference book syllabus for advanced secondary education. Advanced secondary education from 5 through Form 6. This is written by TIE, Tanzania Institute of Education. That is the first important reference book I would like to insist. Please, 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 my dear, my beloved student, or my dear parent, if you're a parent that is watching this video, make sure that you have this reference or this advanced mathematics in syllabus for secondary education from 5 to Form 6, because it's very important. It will limit you. Okay, so this is the book that I've said that is called so you see that the United Republic of Tanzania, Ministry of Education and Vocational Training, and then Advanced Mathematics Syllabus for Advanced Secondary Education, as I've written there, Form 5 to Form 6. So this is the front view, and then this is the side view, and this is the back view, right? Printed by Mzumbe Book Project, right? And then if you open it, the first page, you'll see what has been written on the cover page. And then if you go to the second page, you'll see that this is the new syllabus, right? The new syllabus, and you'll see the authors of this new syllabus. So you see, designed and prepared by what? Designed and prepared by Tanzania Institute of Education, TIE, PO Box 5094, Dar es Salaam, Tanzania. And these are the telephones, and these are the table of contents. So you see the table of contents: introductions, aims and objectives of education in Tanzania. You will know a lot of things: general competence for advanced mathematics, general objectives, organizations of the mathematics syllabus, instruction time, assessment in the subject. So you see, so through this book, a student should know this is the types of assessment: Form 5 assessment, Form 6 assessment. You see individual assessment, projects, and even quizzes, terminal examinations, and final exam, right? So final exams is 50 marks, and other, which call them continuous assessment, is contributing 50%. So this is now the first page, the Form 5 topics. So the first one is called the calculating devices, and these are the topics or subtopics. These are specific objectives on learning. These are the teaching and learning strategies that a teacher has to use. Teaching and learning resources. This is assessment, and this is the number of periods. So you see, you have a lot of informations which are very important, because this is the boundary. We'll give you a boundary and a main focus. So that's the first reference book that I recommend for you. The second reference book is called the second reference book is called the. So this, the second reference book, is fourth edition. Fourth edition, Pure Mathematics. Pure Mathematics. The goodness of this book is also useful for ordinary diploma. Pure Mathematics 1. And this is written by J.K. Backhouse, and then S.P.T. Holdsworth. I'll be using this reference material when I'll be teaching. The said reference is have the same name, the fourth edition of what of Pure Mathematics, Pure Mathematics in 2 by J.K. Backhouse. The same author, Backhouse, and S.P.T. Holdsworth. These are very important books, textbook, advanced quality, pure mathematics. To demonstrate, remember that I want just to let you know, in case you need this syllabus book, right, you need to order it. Go to the descriptions of this video, read the description clearly, every word's in the descriptions. You will see how much does it cost. Sometimes these books are not found, but I can make a copy of it, and how much does it cost, and what the shipping cost to any regions of United Republic of Tanzania. So we are not only teaching students, but also we are providing the materials important. This is Pure Mathematics 1, right? So this is Pure Mathematics 1. This is new edition. This is J.K. Backhouse, the author, J.K. Backhouse, and S.P.T. Holdsworth, okay, Holdsworth. And then this is the back view of pure mathematics, because in case you want to find it in the local shapes or at your schools. And this is the back view of 40 of the book of advanced of pure mathematics. So this is pure mathematics 1, also the same size and even the same authors for the pure mathematics 2. So make sure that you have both of these books for reference. Okay. The first reference on learning advanced mathematics is still the textbook. The first reference book. The first reference. Can you mention the first reference book? Before I mention it to you, get prepared to enjoy the beauty of advanced mathematics. Okay. So the first reference book is Advanced Level Pure Mathematics. Advanced Level Pure Mathematics. Advanced Level Pure Mathematics by TANZANIA. This is by TANZANIA. Very good book. I have a copy of it, but also you can order this book online and I can send it to you. CJ. The fifth reference book, this is Advanced Level Pure Mathematics by TANZANIA. It's a very good book for trigonometry, for coordinate geometry, very book for coordinate geometry 1, coordinate geometry 2. Very good book, and I referred it in many cases. And also it's a good book for vectors. So it's a very interesting book, but the challenge of it is just teaching few concepts and just many unsolved problems. Have the beauty of mathematics, advanced mathematics. So the third edition, the reference to third edition, Pure Mathematics. Another book that we call it Pure Mathematics. That is what A level, so we call it Advanced Level Pure Mathematics. This is called the Pure Mathematics. And the author of this book is called by Olenjolaim PJ. Olenjolaim PJ. Okay, that's the author of this book. PJF, and it has been authored 1958. It's the oldest book. It's older than me. 1985. Then the sixth reference book is called the Advanced Mathematics. Advanced Mathematics. Then there are volumes. So this is Advanced Mathematics Volume 1 by Tanzanian mathematical professor J.K. Shai. Okay. The seventh reference book is called Concise Course in Statistics Level, in A-level statistics. Concise, very book for probability and statistics for the Form 6. Concise course, I do recommend. Course of 40 of statistics. Statistically, I don't remember the name of the author. This is your homework, so fill the blank. The eighth reference for advanced mathematics textbook is a book called An Introduction. An Introduction to Probability. Probability and Statistics. And this is authored by Hugh. by Hume H in 1975. 1975. The ninth reference book is called the Advanced Mathematics by S. Chand. Advanced Mathematics by S. Chand. Okay, by S. Chand. That's all about textbook. Let me talk a little bit about this textbook before I go to the part B, which is question and answers textbook. I say that the first reference book is called Advanced Mathematics Syllabus for Advanced Secondary Education. This is a reference book, very important to know what should you learn during your Form 5 studies and what should you learn during your Form 6 studies. Then the first edition, Pure Mathematics, the one that I showed you, is good in many Form 5 and Form 6 topics, especially for this one. It's good in trigonometric, it's good in calculus, meaning that in differentiation integration. It doesn't have linear programming, so you should not expect probability in these two books. Probability is not there. It's good in hyperbolic. This is good for hyperbolic. It's good for vector problems. It's good for problem geometry 1. So these books, I use them intensively, and I refer them in many chapters. So Pure 2 also is good for algebra. Algebra 2 that we call. This is a little bit good for algebra 1. They are good in trigonometric. And then advanced level Pure Mathematics by Cantor, as I have already explained it. So refer what I say when I was writing this reference book. The third edition Pure Mathematics by Horeri. Yes, it's good. I didn't use it in detail, but I commend it also. Advanced Mathematics Volumes by the J.K. Shire. This is the one of the interesting book. I remember that when I used in this, I used to be in A level. I used it because they simplify, it explains set. Okay, in this book, don't expect to find set again. All logics are no longer here. But this book explains set in details, vectors, and some other topics. Concise course of statistics. This is my favorite book, right? So this is my favorite book. This is my favorite book. That is my favorite book. I used it to learn probability and statistics. And especially that during our age, we had the probability, we had the statistic, we had statistic 1, we had the probability, we had statistic 2. So I enjoyed that book when I was learning the 3 topics during my A-level studies. So get prepared to enjoy the beauty of concise course of statistics. When I'll be teaching about statistics, I refer this book. Teaching probability, I refer this book, because nowadays statistic 1 and 2, statistic is statistic and probability is probability. So probability and statistics, I will use this book frequently. Then another reference book is called Introductions to Probability and Statistics by Hume. I haven't used this one, but I believe it is good. Advanced Mathematics by S. Chand, I comment it is good also because they explain details, concept. So then let us go to the question. In case you have any question, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. Question and answers, books and materials. Okay, and materials. So the first question and answer book is called the Advanced Mathematics. So it's called Advanced Mathematics. So it's called the Advanced Mathematics 1 Review. And this is including questions I'll write for you that, and hence the next question and answers book is called Advanced Mathematics 2. Okay, Mathematics 2. Okay, review, the same author, Damians. Okay, review, and it has been published by the APE. So this is question and answers. Question and answers. I will show you. I have them, and You can order them online. Remember that you can order any textbook online. So by reading these, the descriptions in this video, and you can order it, and I can ship it in your country or in your regions or in your city. Okay, so let me show you these two reference questions and answers book, and then just we go, and then I will mention some other reference books. So this, I say that the first question and answer book that you should have as a student or a teacher who is teaching mathematics, advanced mathematics, is Advanced Mathematics 1 Review. I recommend this book. It means that Problems and Solutions 2003 to 2018. This is the front view, and this is the beauty of a total area between the curves. This is the beauty of integration, application of integration. I will teach you about this because this is, you see, so we have one line, we have a curve, so it means you can find area A, area B, so, and then we have ordinates, we call them ordinates. So we have area A, area B, area C, area D. So I will teach you how to solve, and total area is 21/60 units square. So I would like just even soon to reach that point. Again, this is the back view of the book. So this is the front view, right? And then this is the back view of the book for Advanced Mathematics 1 Review. And then if you open it, the first part giving you questions of advanced mathematics. For example, this one is Advanced Mathematics Paper 1, 2009, right? And then the next part give you solutions of all the past papers, all of these next exams that have been listed here. These solutions are right 90%. You can find that 10% are human errors. The second text questions and answers book is called Advanced Mathematics 2, Advanced Mathematics 2 Review. And this is the Poisson distributions probability. This is called, used to call it probability 2. Very interesting. And when you pursue engineering mathematics or scientific mathematics, you learn this Poisson distributions formula and how you can deal with this standardized D value. So you find that the mean at this point is 0. This we call it the symmetry. And then the total area of this curve is 1. So this is 0.5, 0.5. So however, that this is at the standardized value when you pursue the advanced level. And this is just like a proof of Poisson's distribution, okay, formula, derivations at the Poisson's, the total area under this curve is 1. So for Poisson distributions. And hence when the sample size is greater than 50, but probability is less than 1/10, it means 0.1. So this is the Advanced Mathematics 2. Very interesting. So in this book, you'll find past papers for Advanced Mathematics 2. So you see, for example, this one, this is 2017 Mathematics Paper 2, Section A, which had the 8 questions. Because remember that the format of exams have changed when you compare to late 2011 and even currently. Again, if you go the next pages, you'll find the solutions of all the questions have been listed. I will be using this book as the reference books when I'll be teaching you advanced mathematics for those topics of paper 2. Okay. So in case you want to order these 2 books, read the descriptions below. You see how much does it cost, and you can order them, and I can ship it to you in any regions of United Republic of Tanzania. So it's better that if you just rearrange you put them in this way, right? You enjoy the beauty of mathematics. Well, another reference book, we call it this one. This is number 12. It's called Advanced Mathematics. So it means that question and answers from 2013, 2003, 2018. The other one is from, that's Mathematics 2, and even Mathematics 1 is the same. It's from 2003 to 2018. Okay, Advanced Mathematics. So Advanced Mathematics past papers. So you should also have past papers composed from your schools. So here we have midterm, right? However, that in these programs also later on we can have our own midterm. our own annual terminal exam, and then annual exam, and even pre-mock exam, right? And the mock exam should have, I have them for the reference, and even prenatal or pre-nation, called the prenatal past papers. These are very important on your process, on your journey of learning. Again, you can get some other reference book, which is POS. It's a reference book, but also you can get also some question and answers book. And this is number 13. We call it, you can also use online resources. So you can use online books, I recommend them, and even online sorting notes, because online education is available elsewhere in the world whenever that you have an internet. The 14th reference material that you need to learn this course or this subject is called scientific calculator. You should have scientific calculator. Example, you can have function, you can have Casio function. I recommend this one for every advanced mathematics students, and this is MS. However, that if you have maybe, yes, this is the only one calculator which is suitable to learn advanced mathematics, because we'll be using a calculator in many computations. Let me bring mine, okay? Bring mine to show you, okay? So this is a scientific calculator that I recommend for every A-level students. So the scientific calculator, as I said, that the name is called the Casio, right? I'm trying to put it at a particular direction, so particular place in the lens, right? So let me put away from this point. It's called the Casio, function 991 ms. This is the display, and these are buttons. All of these buttons, they have functions on top of them. They have functions at the top, tops of them, on top of them, and then at the top of them, there are different functions. This M, this is, we see this matrix C. We'll be using this for in statistics 2. We'll be using this for vector computations. This for probability and permutation error and combination error. We'll be using in probability, be having what against, we have pi, you can use as pi, you can use as radians, we can solve, we can use different modes. For example, that if you Thanos, you have different modes. We can use this standard, you can use base for the electronics, we can use equations, we can use matrix, we can use vector, you see, you can use the degree, gradients, and etc., etc. So I recommend that every student who would like to succeed in this course to have this scientific calculator. In case you don't have, don't worry. You can order this scientific calculator online, and I will send you original one from the manufacturers. Because there are fake calculators, I tell you the truth. When I was in A-level, I find them, and even yourself, maybe you met with them. So enjoy your advanced mathematics with this scientific calculator. Okay, so before I end this session, or these general introductions of advanced mathematics, I would like to share with you about chapters and topics of advanced mathematics, advanced mathematics according to new syllabus by TIE, new syllabus of advanced mathematics for secondary educations by TIE. So in this one, I will have the Form 5 topics, and then I'll come to mention the topics for the Form 6. The first topic that you have to learn in Form 5 Advanced Mathematics, there are 10 topics, 1 to 10. So get prepared. The first one is called the calculating device. You see, that's why I told you that You cannot understand the calculating device topic, the topic of calculating device, without having a scientific calculator. The second one is called the set. Right? This is paper 1. This is also paper 1. The third one is called the logic. Say logic. So logic, this is paper 2. This is the topic that providing a question in advanced mathematics 2. So listen carefully, not those that list of topics, so that you may enjoy the beauty of mathematics. Okay? The first topic, we call it in mathematics. This is not a new topic. You have introductions of it during your O-level education, coordinate geometry. So coordinate geometry 1. And then the fifth topic, we call it algebra. Okay. The sixth topic, we call it trigonometry. In order, so we say that coordinate geometry, is it the first topic or the fifth topic? What the fifth topic? The fifth topic is functions. So let me arrange them in order. The fifth topic is called the functions. We advance your knowledge of functions that you have for O level. The sixth topic is called the algebra. I've arranged them according to the way they have been arranged in the syllabus. The seventh topic is trigonometry. And then the eighth topic is called the linear programming. Very interesting topic. Paper 1, linear programming. The ninth topic for the Form 5 is called the differentiation. And the 10th topic and the last one, this is father of all the topic, we call the integration. See the beauty of mathematics? So you close the Form 5 education with a nice topic called integration. Say with me, integrations. So integrations and differentiation form the subject we call it in mathematics calculus. So that's all about Form 5. So Form 5 we have 10 topics, 10 long topics. Not only, for example, that if we want to deal with algebra, you might find that its contents are closely equal to the contents of Form 1, of all the topics for the Form 1. So it's just like one subject for algebra itself. Some of the topics are not too long. For example, calculating device, set, functions, linear programming. Just you have to understand, but the rest are really long. I want just to tell you. In Form 6, we begin the business. This will be, let's say, this is the first one, but just to continue with what you've learned in the Form 5. So the Form 6 topic, the first Form 6 topic, according to the syllabus, is called, you have to learn coordinate geometry 2. So remember that coordinate geometry 1 and coordinate geometry 2 are different topics. Here, I will teach you about conics. I will teach you about, yes, conics, but not cycle. Cycle will teach you cycle in coordinate geometry. Here, I will teach you about hyperbola, teach about parabola, teach about hyperbola, parabola, ellipse. I will teach you about rectangular hyperbola, and I will teach you about polar coordinates, right? And then, which is used in satellites, or yes, in satellites, or in alignments of antennas. Okay. So the next topic after learning the coordinate geometry, according to the syllabus, is vectors. And vectors, it has been simplified compared to the vector that we learned, because you don't learn vector planes or plane vector, you don't learn also equations, vector equations of the line. Then the next topic after vector is called the hyperbolic, and this is the continuations of calculus, hyperbolic function. we learn how you can integrate and differentiate a parabolic function. Then the 14th topic, hopefully it is statistics. Yes, it is statistics. And this we call it we used to call it statistical one, when we learn about more the measure of central attendance and measures of dispersions, variance, quartile, percentile. There's a lot of things which are interesting. And then the 15th topic is after statistics, I will teach you. So this is the point when I refer concise course of statistics. I will teach you one of the difficult topic according to many students, or according to my research to many students, that probability is one of the hardest topic for many students. But I'll try my level best under the grace of God to simplify and make it beautiful so you can enjoy learning. Then the next topic will be complex numbers. That will be the 16 topics, but the 6th topic for the Form 6. Complex numbers. Very interesting topic. If you take a career in applied engineering and scientific mathematics, you learn also, I used to teach also undergraduate students a topic called the complex variables. So it's a continuation of complex numbers. Because remember, complex numbers is just like a real number. So complex variables, now we are taking the complex numbers and form the complex function. Very interesting subject. I would like Kirsty to join you, and make sure that you join with me in that interesting part of complex variables. Because it's a continuation complex number. I like it so much. I like all the topics that there. I like advanced mathematics at all. And I like engineering mathematics and scientific mathematics. So the 17th chapter or topic is called the differential. This is a steady topic, or the first topic, we can call it the differential calculus. So differential equations. So this is another topic that forming the subject called the differential equations, called the calculus. The 18th topic, it's the simplest but interesting topic that's called the numerical method. Numerical method. If you pursue your undergraduate studies in many of universities, he learns also advanced numerical methods. But here I will teach about the analysis, error analysis. I will teach about iterative methods. I will teach about numerical integrations. Okay? So then we have problem solving. Don't forget that in every topic we are going to solve many problems as we can. So we have problems solving. So that is the truth containing about advanced mathematics. It's a long journey, I tell you that. That's why I ask you to pray for me. I don't just, for those who pursue advanced, they understand what I've been presenting there. It's a long journey, there's a lot of things to cover. So pray for my house, pray for God to give me good comprehensions and the simplest way to teach you. So pray for me, pray earnestly for me, because I know that it's a huge project. So I will pray. I used to pray for you, and I will pray for you. So I would like to thank God who have been with me during the preparations of this general introduction of advanced mathematics. I really appreciate the way He prepared me, and I thank God also who has given you an opportunity to join me in this program. And I would like to invite you in the lecture 01 of any of the topic that I will start. Maybe lecture 01s of calculating devices or calculating device, etc., etc. Because here we are teaching scientific calculator and computer packaging. However, that is a little bit just for every student to have a computer in advanced level in our country. In other countries, it's possible. Okay. So I would like to invite you in every topic. Join me to learn every topic at your home place or at your schools or anywhere else, that in village or in city. Join me. I would like to invite you. I don't boast myself. I don't know everything about advanced mathematics, but I just know a little portions of it. But I'm ready to share with millions of students what I know about advanced calculus. about advanced mathematics, about advanced mathematics. Make sure that you subscribe, you share these contents, you read the descriptions, you ask a question in the comment section. So get prepared. I'm coming back in lecture 01 of any topic of Form 5 and lecture 01 of any topic of Form 6. So believe me that don't worry about the presentations or the truths or the fears and even the strongholds that you are finding or you are meeting during the learnings of advanced mathematics, the challenges you see, even the failures that you have experienced, that mathematics is difficult, you have been failing. Don't worry. I would like to encourage you that it's possible. Mathematics is not complex, but mathematics is a beautiful subject, and we can use it for the rest of our life to solve real life problems. So stay tuned and stay connected. I love you so much. May God bless you. See you again. This is Sir Olenjolaim. I love you.